Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your Kospet Prime with iOS. As you can see, the Kospet is powered on. We have the app already installed. The app is called WiiWatch 2. Go to the Kospet. At the bottom of the menu we will find Assistant. Go to Connect Phone and we have the QR code now here ready to scan. Let's go ahead and open the app. Let's see what we got here. As you can see immediately, it asks to scan the QR code, which we will do right now. As you can see, it's loading, saying connecting. We should wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see now, it's connected. It's that easy. You can see right here it says connected, and the phone as well already connected. Now we are ready to use the watch, and all the data will be saved in the app. So let's get back to the first page, see what we got in this app. So as you can see in the first page, we have the date that we can change. We have here steps, burn calories, kilometers. We have 3 or 4 options at the bottom. With new date we have 4 options. We have steps, as you can see, week and month statistic. Also we have highest step and reach goal, total step, and other options as well that we can check here at the bottom. So this is the step option. We have the heart rate as well, day, week or monthly statistic, and we have heart rate reminder that we can turn on and off. Also we can change the heart rate upper limit. We can also activate the heart rate monitoring from the app, but that is just an option. We have sleep as well. As you can see, we have deep sleep, light sleep, and awake time, all with hours and minutes. It depends on you. If you wear the watch at night, you will get all the sleep monitoring as well. Next we have the weight. As you can see, you have to put your weight and height here so you get more accurate data and statistic as well. So please make sure to put your correct height and weight, and you will get the data more accurate than before. So this is the weight option. You can see we have the ideal weight. We saw these 4 options. We have here firmware update. Next we have step goal, which we can change, personal information that we put before, auxiliary input. We have lookup device, raise the screen, silent mode, application reminder, contacts. We have unit switch, visit the forum, that it opens up this page, and we have feedback, instructions at the end. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.